Reducing the attack surface is an essential aspect of improving cybersecurity. Here are some tips to help you minimize the attack surface. Patch and update. Keep all software, operating systems, and applications up to date with the latest security patches. Regularly apply patches and updates to address vulnerabilities that can be exploited by attackers. Remove or disable unnecessary services. Disable or remove any unnecessary or unused services, protocols, or applications from your systems. Only keep the essential services that are required for your business operations to minimize potential entry points for attackers. Use strong authentication. Implement strong authentication mechanisms such as multi-factor authentication, MFA, to add an extra layer of security. This helps protect against unauthorized access even if a password is compromised. Secure network perimeters. Use firewalls, routers, and intrusion prevention systems, IPS, to control and monitor incoming and outgoing network traffic. Implement proper segmentation and access controls to isolate critical systems and restrict unnecessary communication channels. Implement least privilege. Follow the principle of least privilege, granting users and systems only the minimum level of access required to perform their tasks. Regularly review and update permissions to prevent unauthorized access and limit the potential impact of a compromised account. Conduct regular security assessments. Perform vulnerability assessments and penetration testing to identify and address any security weaknesses in your systems. Regular assessments help you proactively mitigate vulnerabilities before they're exploited by attackers. Educate and train employees. Provide cybersecurity awareness training to your employees to help them understand common attack vectors, recognize phishing attempts, and follow secure practices. Human error is often a weak link, so fostering a security-conscious culture is crucial. Secure configuration. Configure systems, applications, and devices securely following vendor recommendations and industry best practices. Default configurations often have known vulnerabilities, so it's important to customize settings to enhance security. Monitor and respond to threats. Implement a comprehensive monitoring and incident response system to detect and respond to security incidents promptly. Employ intrusion detection systems, IDS, security information and event management, SIEM, tools, and log analysis to identify potential threats and respond effectively. Regularly backup and test. Maintain regular backups of critical data and test the restoration process to ensure data availability in case of a security incident or system failure.